Ayo, I'm your mathematics teacher Ji. Today I'm gonna teach you about geometry Ji, geometry.
What is geometry? Geometry.
Latitudes, right? If you just draw the lines like this, so these imaginary lines are called the latitudes. Latitudes. Same charges repel each other, right? Repel. CLIL क्लिल। यह है दुनिया का सबसे आसान और सबसे बेहतरीन तरीका आपकी इंग्लिश को सीखने के लिए, आपकी इंग्लिश को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए। नमस्कार, आई एम जस्ट द पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कोच एज वेल एज एन एक्सेंट कोच। आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन दिस वीडियो। टुडे दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिसिंग इंग्लिश। इंग्लिश को कैसे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। कभी कभी हमारे साथ क्या होता है कि जब हम कंटेंट पढ़ने बैठते हैं तो सोचते हैं कि यार लैंग्वेज नहीं आती है, और जब लैंग्वेज पढ़ने बैठते हैं तो लगता है यार कंटेंट छूट रहा है। ये कंफ्यूजन दूर करने के लिए मैं लेकर आया हूं ये दुनिया का सबसे आसान तरीका, जिससे आपका कंटेंट और लैंग्वेज दोनों प्रैक्टिस हो सकता है। इसलिए मैं कहता हूं कि दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट किल टू बर्ड्स विद वन स्टोन। एक तीर से दो निशाने करने वाले हैं। बाय द वे, ये क्लिल मेथड है क्या? क्लिल मेथड स्टैंड्स फॉर कंटेंट एंड लैंग्वेज integrated learning। बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीका होता है ये इंग्लिश को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए। मज़ा आ जाएगा कसम से। इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा, अंत तक जरूर देखिएगा, ठीक है। कंटेंट एंड लैंग्वेज इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग। कंटेंट और लैंग्वेज दोनों को फोकस करते हैं इसमें, ठीक है। हमारा कंटेंट मतलब हमारा नॉलेज जो भी डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर होता है, और लैंग्वेज मतलब जो हम इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं, दोनों की प्रैक्टिस साथ में हो जाती है। चाहे आप फिजिक्स पढ़ रहे हो, केमिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हो, बायोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हो, हिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हो, मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ रहे हो, सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हो, फिजियोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हो, ठीक है, न्यूरोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हो, ऑर्थोपैडिक नॉलेज ले रहे हो, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हो आप, राइट। कंप्यूटर पढ़ रहे हो, डेटा साइंस पढ़ रहे हो, रॉकेट साइंस पढ़ रहे हो, या फिर होम साइंस पढ़ रहे हो, आप कोई सा भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़ो, कॉमर्स पढ़ो, बिजनेस पढ़ो, जो भी पढ़ रहे हो, सबकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो इस मेथड से। बहुत ही मजा आने वाला कसम से। चलिए देखते क्या करना है। सबसे पहले इसमें हम कंटेंट को, जो भी कंटेंट होगा हम उसको अपने रीजनल लैंग्वेज में, अपनी हिंदी लैंग्वेज में, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में, जिस भी लैंग्वेज में पढ़ते हो उसे पढ़ लो। फिर इसको क्या करना है, अपने लैंग्वेज, जो लैंग्वेज हम सीख रहे हैं उसमें एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करेंगे। जैसे मान लीजिए हमने हिंदी में पढ़ा कोई सब्जेक्ट, जैसे मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ लिया, व्हाट इज अलजेब्रा हमने पढ़ा कि इसमें ज्योग्राफी अलजेब्रा पढ़ लिया, या फिर ज्योमेट्री पढ़ लिया, कोई भी पार्ट ऑफ द मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ लिया, उसको हम इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे लोगों के साथ। हिस्ट्री में कोई सब्जेक्ट पढ़ लिया, कोई चैप्टर पढ़ लिया, उसको भी हम क्या करेंगे, इंग्लिश में प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। हमने बायोलॉजी में पढ़ लिया, जूलॉजी में पढ़ लिया, बॉटनी में पढ़ लिया, केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ लिया, फिजिक्स में पढ़ लिया, जो भी चैप्टर होगा उसको आप इंग्लिश में बताने की कोशिश करते हैं। ये दुनिया का सबसे आसान तरीका होता है जिससे आपका कंटेंट और लैंग्वेज दोनों के दोनों एक साथ आपको आ जाते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूं एक एक अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट को लेकर कि कैसे हम अपने इंग्लिश को प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं इस मेथड के द्वारा। अयो, आई एम योर मैथमेटिक्स टीचर जी। टुडे आई एम गोना टीच यू अबाउट ज्योमेट्री जी, ज्योमेट्री। व्हाट इज ज्योमेट्री? Geometry means the study of the point, line segment, and the structure made of using that. Look at this. The study of point, line segment, and the structures, made using this line, point, and all these things. You gotta see here, when you find the structures made by the point and line and the line segment, first of all I'm gonna give you the definition of it. What is the point? First of all, point means a structure which has no length, no width, no breadth, and no height. For example, this is a point, because it has not the length, not the breadth, not the height, it's had nothing. And what is the line? Line is the combination of the points. If you just take many points here, so it will be a line, right? It will be a line, and line can be extended in both directions. It could go to the unlimited, it could go to the unlimited. So I hope you have understood what is a line. And then line segment. A line segment means the part of the any line. You cut it from here, then it is the line segment for 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 2 meter, 2 kilometer. This is called the line segment. Line segment cannot be increased in both direction. It is stopped like this. This is the line segment, and the line is drawn like this. it can be extended in both directions, both direction. I hope you're getting my point, Ji. And what is the structures? Structures means we make the different structures using the line segment. For example, we make this structure like this. This is called the triangle. We make this structure like this. This is called the angle. We make this structure like this. This is called the quadrilateral. We make this structure like this. This is called the rectangle. We make this structure like this. This is called the square, Ji. We make this structure like this. This is called the cuboid, G. Cuboid, G. We make this structure like this. This is called the cube, G. So I hope you have understood the geometry. Geometry is very interesting subject. Ayo, I'm your new mathematics teacher, Jasa Murugan, G. Thank you very much. Hey everyone, this is Jess, physics teacher. Today I'm going to teach you about electricity. This is a nice chapter for all of us. Electricity. Electricity. Why is it so important for us? Because it deals with the study of the charge. Deals with the study of charge. Deals with the study of charge. Study of charge. Now the question arises here. What is the charge? Charge is the physical property of any substance by which it feels the attraction and the repulsion. Let me give you an example. Every body, every object, for example, this is an object and it has some electron, proton and neutrons. When you rub it or when you hit it, so some of the electron goes out or comes in. Then the body becomes charged. It means due to the disbalance of electrons, the body feels charged. For example, it has originally 15 electrons in its body, and if you rub it or hit it, one of its electron goes out. One of its electron goes out and becomes here 14 electrons. Now the body is charged. Whenever the electron goes out, so it has the positive charge. Whenever the electron comes in, then it has the negative charge, right? So the body is plus 1 charged. It has plus 1 charge because 1 electron went out. When you just take 4 electrons out, so the body would be having only 11 electrons. So it would be 4 plus charged. I hope you have understood the charge. And when any body is charged, so it feels attraction and repulsion. When the same charge means here same charges repel each other, right? Repel. Same charges repel, and unlike charges attract, right? Attract. For example, if you take a plus body and the plus body, so they will repel because they both have the same charge. Right? The first property of the charge is the same charges repel, and the unlike charges attract. For example, plus and minus, then they will be attracted. If you take minus, then it will be repelling. Right? When you take minus plus, then it will attract because it should have the opposite charge. Then it attracts. When you keep the same charges, then they repel. Understood? Now, the charge can never be in fractional. It is the quantization of the charge. Charge can be always in number. For example, 4 coulomb, right? So the unit of the charge is the coulomb. Coulomb, right? Coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of the charge. And let me tell you about the electricity more. If you just go through the electricity, so you'll find the 2 branches of the electricity. First one is electrostatics. And the second one is electrodynamics. The name is telling you the definition. Electrostatic means electrons, static means stable. When the electrons or the charge is stable in the body, then we study in electrostatic. When the charge in dynamic motion, dynamic means it has a motion, it just runs, then we go through the electrodynamics to study that. I hope you have understood the basics about electrostatics and the electricity. Thank you very much. Hi there, now I'm going to teach you about the globe. Globe is the model of the earth, by the way. You can see the picture. Globe is the model of earth, right? It's a model of Earth. It helps us to study about the Earth in detail. Right, so I'm going to tell you the structure of the globe. Globe word is derived from the globulus. Globus means the sphere. Our Earth also looks like a spherical. That's why we call it a globe. Right. So on the globe, you see so many different the lines. Right. So many different lines which help us to learn about the exact location of the particular place and the temperature and all the things about the Earth in detail. Right. So you see the line in just between the horizontal line, a horizontal line. It divides the Earth into two equal parts in north and southern part, right? So it divides into two equal half. So this is called 0-degree equator because it's just equal. It divides into two equal half. That's why it is called equator. 0-degree equator, right? Equator means which divides into two half equal parts in northern hemisphere. So we call it northern hemisphere, and this is southern hemisphere. Got the point? So this is southern hemisphere and this is northern hemisphere, and there are so many on the line which are just horizontal on this. These are called the latitudes, right? If you just draw the lines like this, so these imaginary lines are called the latitudes. In Hindi we call it akshans rekha, right? Latitudes. So you see this north direction, so 1 degree north, 2 degree north, 3 degree north, and this is how you can draw 90 different lines on this globe in the north direction, and the same you can draw in the downside, means southern, the 90 degree. So there would be the numbers of the latitudes on the globe would be 181, including 0-degree equator. Including this, it will be 181, and you can see here two lines are not drawn properly here and here, right? Because it's 90 degree, so it cannot be drawn on the globe actually, because this is spherical. So this will be a point and this will be a point. So this is called a pole, right? Pole. This is north pole and this is south pole. So we will remove, we will minus 2 lines from this, so there will be 170 lines as latitudes on the globe. And now you can see the globe. On the globe there are so many lines like this, the vertical lines on this. And what are these called? Let me tell you. You can see the globe here. Okay, if you draw the line the vertically on this, a 0 degree which divides into eastern and western part equally, this is called east and this is west, right? So this is called 0 degree, and 0 degree is called also PM, prime meridian. This is called prime meridian, right? And you can draw the lines like this on this, right? You can draw 180 lines in this direction and 180 lines in this direction, right? So overall there would be 360 lines, right? 360 lines, right? 180 here and 180 here, and the 0 degree if you add, so 161 lines would be on this. And these vertical lines are called the longitudes or longitudes. You can call longitudes or longitudes, or you can also speak this. So longitudes, these are called Deshantar Rekha, right? I hope you have understood the lines of it. So I cannot explain you everything in this video because this video is not all about the globe and all. I was just showing you that how can you practice your English with your own subjects, right? So I've shown you so many examples here, so you can also prepare with your subjects now, and wish you all the best for your English language journey. Thank you very much.